Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one VLAN lab. In this one we are going to use the layer 3 switch. By default in the EVENG or GNS3 all the switch are layer 3 only, but they are behaving as a layer 2. Whenever we want to enable the layer 3 feature we can enable. So we will do one lab so you will have the idea how to configure the trunk if we have the layer 3 switch. So I created the new lab here and we can go to the node, and if you go down here you can see this IOL. We will take this one and this is the image. We will keep like this only. Just here we will write SW1 or write SW and change this icon. Even if you keep this icon same like this it will work, but I will change as a switch. All other thing we will keep same as it is, so you will have one switch. But if you want to take two, then same thing you can do. Click here and change here the SW, and here I will give, if you want 2 or 3 you can select here also. Like I put here, I did not put anything, that's why they taken only one. If I put here that time 2, we will have the 2 switches. But anyhow I will take now again, so other thing remains same, and now I have the 2 switches. Better we will give the name. So this one I will edit, I will put SW1 here, and here I will put SW2, this one. And what else we can say? We can say this one we can connect from here to here. We can say like that, same thing, same scenario we can do. First floor, second floor, and imagine I have here first floor and second floor. Let me take some computer. So what I will do, I will go here, I will select some VPC. So if you go down here you have here like VPC, this one. How many you need, that is up to you. I will take 4 so we can use for multiple VLAN. So 2 we can assign in one VLAN, like that we can do. And here you have the icon, you can select which icon you need. You have lot of icon here for the computer. Whatever you need you can select here. So if you see we have one guy sitting on the chair, that icon is also available here. So let me see where it is. Somewhere here we have. In the new version of EVNG you have more attractive pictures also, but anyhow I will take this one, and here let me take 8 PCs I am taking. So if you click OK you will have 8. Now I can put 2 here in the VLAN 10 in the second floor, and more 2 in the VLAN 20. 10, 20 we will use, that is up to you what you want to use. Same thing we will design here like that, and we will connect. And here we have some random number because already we taken 1, 2 here, so it is started from 3. But anyhow you can edit and you can give whatever number you want to give. Example, I want to give PC1, I give PC1. This one I can give PC2. Just I am showing you also this one, so later if you are using the EVNG you know how to use also. That's why I am showing you each and everything. So you take on 3 and 4. This one we can say it is a 4. So now if you want to differentiate with the VLAN you can click custom size, unit square or circle, which unit you can select, solid line, dotted line, and which color line. Example, if you want this you can select this, and I can say this belongs to VLAN 10. I can put like this. This box, red color box, means VLAN 10. You can differentiate like we are doing in the packet tracer, something similar. And here you can again make duplicate and change the color here. You can edit, and you can, instead of red you can select some different color for different VLAN. So you can put this blue here, and this is here, and I will duplicate and we will move this here. This is the second floor and this is the first floor, or keep like here. So this will be much easier for us. First floor, second floor, we have 2 floor. Two guys are sitting here. In the real scenario you will have maybe 20 to 40 PCs depending upon where you are working. So I will connect this here. And if you face the issue shortage of port, I will show you how to increase the port also. and I'm connecting here. If you see, sometime you will face the issue here. If you see, you don't have the port. Whatever ports I have, E0 by 0, E0 by 1, E0 by 2, E0 by 3 is connected to computers. 1 is connected to switch. You can read like this. If you see this E0 by 0, this E0 by 0 is connected to SW2 of E0 by 0. So this one is connected, all others are connected to computer. I want to connect one more PC4, but I don't have that one. So what I can do, right click, click edit and go here. Instead of 1, you can put 2 here. Okay, so one card, that is LC we are calling in the real scenario, line card. One line card is having 4 interface. So I change to 2 and click save. You will have 8. Now you connect here, you can see you are getting here different. These all are connected, but this one are free. E1 by 0, E1 by 1, E1 by 2, like this. So I will select, I will click save. So now same thing we will do here also. So before getting the issue, I will increase this port. So I put here 4. Everything is good. Now let's connect here. I will connect here. Let me connect here. Same thing as we do in the packet tracer. Why I'm showing you here? So you should be familiar to use in the EVENG also. EVENG is working good compared to the GNS. GNS sometime you will have the issue. So better try to use the EVENG. If EVENG is giving problem, then you can use GNS. Any one is sufficient, but most of the time EVENG is working fine, perfectly. So here everything is good. Now we can power on the device, because this device will take some time to boot up. And one more drawback here you have, like whenever you power on the device, then you cannot add any device. Example, I want to add any new device. I need to power off and then only I can connect the cable. If the device is power on, I cannot connect. This is a drawback in the EVENG community edition. If I go here, example, let me take anything here, like I can take anything like, or let me take this one, sorry, where I am, anything. This grayed out means I don't have that image. I did not install that one. Wherever you see the blue color, this blue color, you can say that is available here. Okay, this blue color is available, this blue color is available. Wherever the grayed out, that is not available. Okay, you can ask. Okay, hi, can you? Yeah, you have any doubt, you can unmute yourself and ask. Okay, I am audible, right? Hello? Yes. Yeah, you can ask. You have question? Hello? I cannot hear you.